Jason Dowdey here with Ridgewater Realtors Tower Properties, and we're about to go live on this thing here in about 12 hours. This is 1617 17th Street Northwest. So I'm going to give you a quick little tour, walk you through the house. This is just going to be a little sample of what you can expect in this home. All right, we're on the main level, and on the main level, we got a big new kitchen. This thing has got brand new cabinets in it, newer stove. It's got a nice hood vent, and of course, nice double sink, outlooks to the backyard, or the side yard, I should say. And of course, we have a great big deck. Beautiful shrubs, trees, very mature, lots of room for privacy. And of course, on the front, we also have a nice little deck walkout from the upper level. This is a split level, and this is up on the northwest side, which is located next to Ridgewater College. So great if you got some college students looking for a place to purchase for the family. You could split it up easily. You got access to the garage on the lower level. We got 2 bedrooms up here, one over here. Kind of give you a quick little run through. Nice shed in the backyard for great storage. Nice closet. We're gonna walk over here. It's got tile floors, and it's got some laminates built within it as well. Now this is a full bath, tiled shower. Scanning around here, we got another bedroom. So yeah, kind of cool. The yard is got some fencing around it, which is actually the neighbors. So if you wanted to connect to it, that would actually make it a nice size yard for anybody that wants some privacy. Okay, on the lower level, we got another bedroom. And of course, we're gonna skip through. And we've got, sorry if this is too fast, trying to make it so it's easy to watch. All right, walk-in tiled shower on the lower level. Back in the mechanical room, we got a new furnace, new air conditioner, newer water heater, nice new washer and dryers, or newer. Big panel. It does have the radon mitigation system into it already. It does have, it's tiled and has a sump pump built in. Okay, moving on. We have a nice size family room down here. The cool thing is they actually put a pocket, not pocket door, but a barn door, so you can close this off. So you can send kids down here, friends, family, whatever you might have, pets, you name it. They also turn this space into a bedroom. It's got a nice glass door. Spin this around. And in here, we've got another walk-in closet, which kind of goes down and bound around underneath the other steps. If this house interests you at all, let us know. We have a couple other ones that are going to be hitting the market this week as well. We'd love the opportunity to help open your door to bigger dreams. So give me a call. Jason Dowdey with Ridgewater Realtors Tower Properties. Have a great day.